Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever realized there is this place in Stockholm where you can feel like you're stepping into the rainforest full of fishes, frogs and turtles? Plus, you can also get entertained by the butterflies' dances and learn their amazing life cycle. Well, I have not, so when my friend mentioned the place, I got so surprised and excited. So I hope you're excited too. Let's go! So hungry. Started with this cafe, apple cake. It's pretty good. Our cake is also pretty good. It's also apple pie. Yeah, it's burnt a little bit, but because she wanted it to be burnt.
I wanted it warm.
Warm. She wanted it warm, but
And they burned it.
turned out to be burnt. Yeah. So the weather sucks today, guys. So it's good to be inside.
Yeah.
With the coffee. On the website, as far as I have read and understood, it's supposed to look like you're stepping into the rainforest. Also, they call it ocean, so it will be so exciting if we are really gonna see the ocean. Okay, here's where we hang the clothes. I'm just gonna put here. It looks like a festival. There are souvenirs you can check out. Oh, it's cool. This one.
That was so
It's only, how much is it?
90.
It's only 90. I'm gonna get one, I think.
Okay.
This is what I'm pissed off because entry fee is expensive. Me too. But hoping to see something amazing.
This is the entry ticket.
Yeah.
So keep it so you can go in and out.
Okay. Tack så mycket.
Don't use the ticket.
Do not lose the ticket. It's too pricey. I'm not gonna lose it. This is how we go in. Gonna step out. Step out. Ooh. Smells so fresh. You're gonna see these two. Lemon tree. This kind of tree you will only see in the tropical climate. Right here in Stockholm. I'm gonna take you to another world. Amazing! I love it here already. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Hello. Hi. Wow, there's another one. I think people are touching the water all the time. That's why hands are everywhere. Oh, butterflies. But they can also fly over us, right? Yeah. It's pretty cool. And then I'm gonna bump into some butterfly later. I'm gonna follow Suado. Oh. Ooh. Lisa.
Ông đã cố gắng lắm rồi. Nào ông đã cố gắng lắm rồi. Thì cố gắng được không? Ông đã cố gắng đốt chứ. Bây giờ ông đã sẽ bị opposite rồi. Cắn ra.
Look, these ones are cool.
A frog's there? Oh, small one. I'm so scared of frogs as well. Sometimes. A lot of them. These are the frogs. Different color. It is plantar smell poison frog. Jesus, it's poisonous. But they're poisonous. They look cute, but is this also poisonous?
Nej, nej, kolla. Oj, det är hur många som helst.
Wow, looks like it is dead. It's not moving. What is happening? It's
It was moving a while
yellowish. It looks like chicken. Turkey.
It's supposed
Okay,
to be
this
that
is
color,
this
but it's
kind.
like albino.
Oh, what happened? African clawed frog. Okay, these are frog session. They're pretty cool. Come, wow, this guy. I want to see this guy. Smiling frog. Some butterflies like banana. That's their lunchtime. So here are the butterflies. They're everywhere. We cannot keep up with them. And there's another this species. I don't really know. Oh yeah, it's oh. Come to my camera, please, please. So they have this fish, leopard placo. What is that? And guppy. I have never heard of this kind of chocolate seeds. Cheese. I don't even know how to pronounce it. They eat, they fly. They are everywhere. Having great life.
Titta här då. Men den här är liksom nu har det med.
Oh, look at those birds. What the hell is that? Cute little. What is that? I like your reaction. What the hell is that? Can I go into shark? Shark, right? Do they have shark?
Yeah.
Seriously, you have shark? Wow, it's a little dark. Hope my camera can perform the best it can. You can see the coral reef. So cool. Look at this fish. Blue fish.
Nej, nästa station.
Wow, they ran away. Jesus. What's going on? There's a lot of things you can check out in this museum, this living museum. While we are just exploring, some of the butterflies are flying around and some quail on the ground. Sharks are only in the shark tank. Most of the thing we can see it very close. Speaking of quail, hi.
You let them eat fake.
My favorite part is this butterfly thing. It's pretty cool. You just stand and become friends with them. And then one of the butterfly was just resting on my back and just flying. I was scared, but it's pretty cool feeling just to connect with the butterflies. But I couldn't connect with the shark because I think there were only 2 of them and it was always hidden. With that, what are you gonna have? I can get another coffee, I think. This is cheating day, Saturday. I normally take 2 cups of coffee a day, but today I'm dying. I didn't sleep well last night, so thinking of cheating and just why not another cup?
Coffee.
Yeah, looks yummy. And then I'm gonna be hyper when I get home. Here is the coffee. Oh my god, they're running out of coffee. I can get a refill, but I'm not gonna get refill. This is enough. Oh, maybe. Oh, look at this. Somebody's sitting. They're from Stone Age or Viking Age. They're very creepy to me actually. Look at this. This young girl is pretty sad. And the other woman watching this young girl, who are they? And the shark. Like, how does it supposed to make me feel? Yeah, it's not crowded, but this session is pretty crowded with those weird and creepy decorations. But I love it. I love it, honestly. It's like some vibe, but I'm not sure what kind of vibe they're trying to create with this tropical neighborhood. And this guy has a long hair. He is pretty depressed, I guess, looking at the people.
Oh, I like the setup.
Yep. So it was so cool. We just explored the whole thing. Then, but very satisfying. But I don't think. Do you think it's too pricey stay?
It is, but I think you know what the issue is because we would have been more keen to go on the outside parts and look around as well if it wasn't for the fact that it's freezing.
Yeah.
But summer times is definitely worth the price.
Yeah.
Winter times, it feels like you're trapped a little bit. But
Yeah.
we did see a lot.
So we're gonna come back here during summertime. It will be more
With the
amazing.
picnic blanket.
With the picnic blanket, and then we are also scheduling more amazing trip like this. She is an expert,
No, I'm not.
so we will definitely have to do it whenever we feel like this is so incredible. But as I said earlier, this decoration in the
very
cafe is creepy. So I think I'm gonna try the thing I bought. This little,
Yes, put it on. It's so cute.
yeah. What is it called? Squid? No.
What?
Octopus earring.
Let me see. That's not an
It's so
octopus.
cute.
That's a jellyfish.
It's not?
It's a jellyfish.
Really? Which one is octopus then?
The one with the 8 hands.
I am so knowledgeable with aquarium stuff. But I mean, honestly, I don't know much about those.
No, that's a jellyfish. I mean,
My octopus ear. Blue octopus. Visiting aquarium. I really need to educate myself with
this
this.
is a jellyfish.
So this is, they are making the jellyfish. So let me see the octopus.
This is an octopus.
Oh. But I mean, honestly.
It doesn't. There's no.
Yeah,
look at
I mean, like, look at, they have these things.
Yeah, but look at this now.
That's jellyfish.
Yeah, and that's what it looks like.
I have poor knowledge on this aquarium thing. I will listen to whatever Swara say. Not that she is an expert too, but I think she is more knowledgeable
exactly.
when it comes
Just the
to.
pictures, just the pictures. But I
Yeah.
didn't know what those little things were. I didn't know what a quill was.
Quill, you don't know. Quill, I know.
I love them. I really like them.
I hope it looks cute.
I thought they were chickens that were miniature chickens. Aren't their eggs like?
Mini chicken.
Yeah. I've
Oh.
never seen anything like it. But aren't their eggs like very popular?
Eggs.
They're quill eggs.
Mm,
It's like a delicacy or something.
yes, like I even had it the other day
Is it good?
when I made the soup. I think it's exactly the same as the chicken egg, but they're very small.
I don't know.
So yeah, that's it. That's for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.